apologies that I didn't upload last week. I mean, people probably didn't even notice anyways, but I'm trying to get into like weekly uploads, but I literally had something on every single day after work, so there was no time. So I thought I would just do this makeup tutorial for you. I'm no professional. Probably some of my methods are just like, what are you doing? That's not how you're supposed to apply your makeup. Some of my brushes, they need a good clean, so, and some of the like palettes are like wearing away. I just use them a lot. Yeah, so don't judge me that they're not all brand new and looking all spick and spam like all these other beauty YouTubers, you know. Yeah, so today I am going to a afternoon tea. It's my friend's like second hen do. So she's had one already with like friends, which I went to, and this one is for family. I've known her for years, so her sisters invited me and my other friend to go, and the theme is pink ladies. So obviously I do actually have a jacket that looks like the pink ladies jacket. It's like a bomber jacket, and on the back it says babes. Let me show you. Where is it? So this is the jacket. It's got little heart-shaped pockets, and on the back it originally had those wings. And then I went to a haberdashery store and I found this like sparkly, what are they called? And it said babes, and it's like the most Essex thing. It cracked me up. I was like, I'm sticking that on the back of my jacket. But I didn't want to wear this because, I don't know, it's a bit too casual. It's really old. Like, there's a mark on the back and I can't take it off. But yeah, I don't know, it was too casual. So yeah, rather than go for wearing that jacket, I thought I would do something a little more 1950s looking. So I curled my hair last night, just brushed it out this morning. I think I'm going to wear my pink fluffy coat because even though it's really sunny today, I probably don't even need one, but just for the look, okay? So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did this. So we are starting off barefaced, obviously, and I'm using the Optical Illusion Primer by Urban Decay, and you just want to smother that over your face. Make sure you put it on your eyelids as well. This just holds the makeup longer. And then I've got the Stay Naked Concealer, so just place that as you would on your red areas and then blend in with a beauty blender. And then I'm using the Stay Naked foundation. I tend to put mine on with this, what they called, like a cushion, like a BB cream cushion. I just think that it makes your face look less cakey. Please don't judge my bronzer. This is also by Urban Decay, and the lid on the palette has really faded and it looks old, so I just use it a lot. So this wouldn't focus, but this is by NYX and it's called Golden Peach. It's a really, really cute colour. It's kind of shimmery as well, and you just want to put that all over your eyelids. Doesn't need to be neat. And then take the Venus XL palette, and then I'm using shade Passion, which is this really nice hot pink colour. So you want to start lightly and use a feathered brush and just do it on the outer corners of your eye, and just keep going in until it blends in nicely with that peach colour that you've put on already. And then take that same colour and do it in my inner corner of my eye. I was just redefining my jawline there with my bronzer. And then next shade is, I don't know how to pronounce it, Botticelli? I don't know. And I'm just placing that underneath my eye on the outer corner, just to give my eye a little bit of definition underneath. And then blend that in with that hot pink above. Don't need to go too heavy with this. And then I'm taking the colour Inspire and putting that on the centre at the bottom of my eye. Then I'm taking my Blushing Hearts blusher and putting that on the uppers of my cheeks. This is my favourite palette. This is Moonchild, and this is a highlighter palette. So I like to highlight the inner corners of my eye and just underneath the eyebrow arch bone thing. This is Pink Glitter by Lime Crime, and I'm just concentrating that in the centre of the eyelid, just so that like that's the first part that you're drawn to, you know. I don't know, I really like glitter in the centre of my eyelids. Just think it looks really nice. I just like glitter, okay? And then more glitter this and placing just a few little sequins underneath my eyes in the centre. Now taking this highlight colour in my, I've got another blushing palette, put that on the end of my nose and on the top of my cheekbones. Now this is for freckles, so I'm just going to kind of emphasise moles that I already have, just make them a little bit darker, and then pat them in with my sponge. Now onto brows. Basically all I do for brows is I use this NYX kind of wax, is that what they're called? And I just go over the shape of my brows. I prefer straight eyebrows. I think that they look more youthful and kind of cute. Like I like full kind of straight eyebrows, you know, like the Korean eyebrows. I would say mine naturally have like a little bit of an arch, but I don't know. I'm not really sure what shape of brows I have. Oh, I forgot to show what eyeliner I use. I use I think it's the Better Than Sex eyeliner by Too Faced. And yeah, I try and keep the line as thin as I can. There's not really much advice I can give for eyeliner and doing it really thin, other than just keep practicing until you get it right. I'm sure you don't need me to tell you how to put mascara on your eyelashes, but here I am doing the lower ones as well. And now eyelashes. Yeah, I use Diamond Lashes, which is a Japanese eyelash brand, and honestly they are just so amazing. Like the band is so comfortable. I find a lot of Western eyelashes are really sharp and like they don't bend very well. I wasn't sure what colour to go for my lips, but I end up going for like this deep red, which is Unicorn Blood by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I know he's controversial. I mean, I had these colours for so long. They're pretty old. I should really throw it out, but I'm literally getting like the last bits of that colour, to be honest. I need to update all of my lipsticks. And now I'm just placing in a little pearl accessory into my hair as I watch Okay It's Connor podcast. Yes. Okay, and this is the final look. This blouse is from Depop and I got it from a girl in Japan. There's no label inside, so I don't know what brand it is. This corset is by, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Fennuala. All of the corsets are all handmade, and I love like the colour of this ribbon, and yeah, it's just gorgeous. And this skirt I actually found in a charity shop in Glasgow, and it's a kids one, so you know, perks of being short, you can also buy kids skirts. And yeah, I think it was about £7, and it's so cute. There's a bow, but because of the corset I can't really, like, if I have it out it just looks weird, so I have to kind of tuck it under the corset, which is a shame. Unless maybe I tuck the corset inside. It might look weird though, I don't know. And yeah, and then I have these little shoesies. Oh, can you see them? There's my shoes. Now I'm torn on two handbags because this one is really cute. The only problem is I don't know if my phone, like with the phone case, fits in the bag. I've fit everything in and it's just about closed, but then I was like, oh wait, my phone still needs to go in it. So if it doesn't close, once I've taken the case off of my phone, then I'm going to change to this one, which is by Fennuala London. I can't talk today, but their bags are just amazing. I mean, look at this. They're all like, each bag is different from the other, is different from the next, because they're all like handmade bags. They're quite pricey, but I mean, you would kind of expect that from a handmade bag that looks so cute. What does it say? Why walk when you can dance? Exactly. And I mean, it's cats in a ballerina studio. How cute is that? So I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you next week. Bye.